video we are going to see another lead code problem. Problem number 1662. Check if two string arrays are equivalent. So given two string arrays word1 and word2, return the following if two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if the array elements concatenated in order from this string. So the input is having two arrays, that is word1 and word2. Word1 is a string array containing strings a, b and c, and word2 is a string array containing strings a and bc. While we combine both of the elements of this string array, we will get abc, and similarly for this second string array also we will get abc. So word1 represents the string abc, and also word2 represents the string abc. Therefore we can say that the strings are same, and thus we have to return true. Let's see the second example now. In the second example, if we combine the words different strings, then we will get acb, and for word2 we will get abc. Since both of these are different, so we have to return false. So let's see the approach first and then we will code. So let's see the approach now. What we have done is we have taken two examples. So let's see the first example now. So we have to check whether the word1 is equals to word2. So what we will do is, first of all, we will create two string variables s1 and s2. Sorry, it will be string variable. So a string s1 and s2. Now what we will do is we will run loop two times, for one for word1 array and the second one for word2 array. So first of all, what we will do is we will concatenate the all the strings that are in array 1 to s1. So how we will do this? Inside the loop we will write this condition, that is word1 of I. So all of word1 of I. So what will happen over here is all the elements of word1 will be coming as a string in s1, and similarly we will run again another loop for s2, and we'll do the same for word2 in this case. So finally in s1 we will have abc, and in s2 we will have abc, and when we will compare it we can return true or 1, whatever. And similarly in this case, in s1 we will have acb, in s2 we will have abc, and we can return false in this case or 0 in this case. So now let's see how can we code this problem. First of all, what we will do is we will create two string variables s1 and s2, and then we will create int n, which will store the size of word1, and then we will create int m, which will store size of word2. Okay, so basically our sizes will be stored in this array, in this variables. And now we will run first loop, int I equals to 0 to I less than n I plus plus. And in this what we will do is we will concatenate all the arrays, all the strings of word1 in s1. So we will get s1 plus is equals to word1 of I. So one by one all the strings that are present in word1 array will get added up in s1, and similarly we will do same for s2 also and word2. So let's do it. Okay, so in this case the size of the array would be m, so we will do m, and we will store the characters in s2, and from word2 we will store, so here word2. And after this is done, what we will do is we will check if the string that we have got in s1 is equals to a string that we have got in s2. So this means that we have to return true, otherwise what we have to do, we have to return false. So let's check this now. So as you can see, the code is accepted. So that's all for this video. If you want to see more such coding videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.